Why do we need warm up before performing an exercise? And what's the benefits of doing this? Warming up is important because it prepares our body for physical activity. It increases our heart rate, loosens the muscles, and improves blood circulation. This lowers the risk injuries, enhances flexibility, and allows us to perform better during the main exercise. Standard bird dog. This exercise improves balance, strengthens the core, and supports the lower back. It also helps in maintaining proper posture. Bird dog with elbow to knee crunch. This variation increases core engagement, builds abdominal strength, and enhances stability by adding extra movement. Standard dead bug. This exercise builds core strength, improves coordination, and protects the lower back by richer controlled movement. Heel taps. Heel taps target lower abs, improve core stability, and help in strengthening hip flexor. Leg rises. Leg rises strengthen the lower abdominal muscles, improve flexibility in the hips, and enhance overall core stability.